Next method in ellipse, that is a general method. It is also called as a focus and directrix method. So it is also called as eccentricity method. Eccentricity method or general method or focus and directrix method. In this method, most probably they will give focus fixed point, they will give 60 mm or 50 mm. I am considering focus f is equals to 60 mm. So eccentricity they will give 2/3, 4/3 like this. Okay, so I am considering eccentricity is 2/3. So first of all, draw one vertical line, that is nothing but directrix line. So draw one vertical line, that is directrix line. So somewhere this is a D1, otherwise D dash. So somewhere draw one horizontal line. So this is called axis line. So this is point A. Now considering focus fixed point. So what is the focus here? 60 mm. Consider here to here 60 mm. That is focus F. Now eccentricity how much? 2/3. That means 2 plus 3, that means 5. So we have to divide this focus length into 5 equal number of parts. If it is 4/3 means 4 plus 3, 7. We have to divide this focus length into 7 equal number of parts. Okay, depending upon data, I take an eccentricity as 2/3, that means 2 plus 3, 5. That's why I have to divide focus into 5 equal parts. So dividing this focus length into 5 equal number of parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3, what is the bigger value? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is the location of vertex V. 3 is the location of vertex V. Okay, after getting vertex, from here to draw one vertical line at vertex. V center, VF radius. V center, VF radius, draw an arc. This arc touches the perpendicular somewhere. Okay, mark that point E. Now from origin to draw one inclined line passing through this point. That means draw one inclined line. Now from F with angle inclination 45 degrees, draw one more inclined line. One more inclined line with angle inclination 45 degrees. So these two lines coincide somewhere. Okay, wherever these two lines coincide, just project downwards. That is the one more vertex end point, V2, V1, V2. That means in between these two distance only elliptical curve is going to be inserted. So you can divide this V1, V2 into equal number of parts. Okay, actually equal number of parts is not mandatory. For exact diagram purpose I am taking equal number of parts. You can take any equal number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, better to take 10 parts. So 1 vertical perpendicular like this. This vertical line touches the inclined line somewhere, that is 1 dash. This is 2 dash. This is 3 dash. 4 dash 5 dash 6 na, that is 6 dash 7, so this is 7 dash. Just project like this. Now with compass, take with compass 1 dash radius, 1 dash radius, F as a center, cut the one line above one arc, below one arc. 2 dash, F center, above one, below one. 3 dash, F center, above one, below one. 4 dash, F as a center, above one, below one. 5 dash, F center. 6 dash, F as a center. So 7 dash, F center. Okay, finally by joining all the points, so you will get one type of shape, that is a ellipse. So from here to gradually increases and gradually decreases. Like this. So this is a P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, so that is P8. So this is a P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash, P6 dash, P7 dash. So like this way you will get elliptical shape. Only this shape should be dark. This is only output. Okay, so sometimes they may ask normal tangent also. So normal tangent, so they will ask draw a normal tangent at a distance 70 mm from the directrix or 60 mm from the directrix. I am considering 70 mm from the directrix. So from this directrix to horizontally consider 70 mm. So wherever the 70 mm line touches the elliptical curve, that is the initial point. Okay, so this initial point you have to join to the focus F. So from this line to draw 90 degrees line. This 90 degrees line touches the directrix somewhere. Okay, so this final line, initial line. So if you join, so you will get tangent. Okay, so if you take as per the dimensions, so this tangent touches only at one point in the elliptical curve. So like this way you will get tangent. So 90 degrees of that line is nothing but normal. So this is the tangent. So this is the ellipse by concentric circles method or eccentricity method or focus on directrix method.